In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to slowly walk on your Marvel rivals. So we have two options, whether you are going to do this on the consoles, which is on the PS5 or the Xbox Series. Just gently push the left analog stick forward, and the softer you press, the slower your character moves. So this technique allows for precise movement, and it can be also useful for stealth or positioning. So, on the other hand, on the PC players, they can use the default keyboard controls, which is the WASD, and it makes your character sprint by default. So, currently, there's no built-in slow walk function on the keyboard and mouse as well. So, connect a controller to your PC, and once it is connected, just use the left analog stick as you would do on a console to slow walk. So another tips for effective slow walking, use the slow walk to flank enemies, avoid detection, and maneuver around obstacles. So it can be also a stylish way to assert dominance over opponents. So practice to become proficient and incorporate it into your gameplay strategy. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.